Struggling to understand the concept of double materiality? Let's simplify the process. Imagine your business is a lemonade stand. You start by scanning the bigger picture. Industry trends, peer analysis, and regulations can all shape your lemonade business. You research Big Lemon and smaller lemonade businesses to see what is trending and creating negative and positive impacts. You notice eco-friendly packaging is everywhere. Solar-powered stands are popping up. Then you look at the rules and support around you. Are there any new regulations coming in that affect how you run your stand? Could you apply for a grant to upgrade your setup? This broad view of trends, risks, regulations, and expectations helps you figure out what matters at a strategic level. It guides where your lemonade stand should be heading, even before you look inside your own operations. In a double materiality assessment, this is a top-down approach.